Alright guys, continuing this remodel of my kitchen. Right now I'm about to show you guys how to hang upper kitchen cabinets. And I'm going to show you the easiest way that I learned how to do it was tack a 1x or a 2x to the wall. By the way, you're going to have some repairs when you remove this. Not really repairs, you're just going to have to touch up some paint. Anyways, find your stud, tack this 2x4 into your stud with 2 screws, put your level on it, make sure everything is level, and then set your kitchen cabinet on top of it. Once you have your kitchen cabinet in place where you want it, tack it into the studs in the wall. Pre-drill all your holes in your kitchen cabinet. And I say pre-drill all your holes in your kitchen cabinet because they're not cheap and you don't want to have to replace them. So this way I'm not holding the weight. All the weight's actually on that board that I tacked to the wall. Like I said, there's going to be some minor cleanup of the paint. But this way is not bad. I already know where my studs are at. I'll put 1 or 2 more screws in and we should be good. So that's pretty much it. Hanging kitchen cabinets really is that easy. But like I said, you're going to have a few repairs. Not really repairs, just touch up on paint. To be honest, I only let this paint sit about 6 hours before I started doing this. So I fully expect a big chunk of this to peel off. Not too bad. That was actually just where I didn't put any, or where I didn't paint anything because oh wait, there's some up there. But I actually didn't paint that little piece because I wanted to see where my holes were at for this. Anyways, as always, if this helped you out, saved you any money, or you're just trying to fix your house up in any way, follow this channel. Anyways, I'm out.